Chronic illness requires a slower, more thoughtful approach. Dr. Men teaches us that healing comes through patience, embracing a slow, mindful life to restore balance and harmony within the body.
Mr. Su, a 50-year-old office worker, struggled to understand his diagnoses of hypertension, high blood sugar, and chronic nephritis. Overwhelmed by medical jargon, he questioned how his seemingly normal life led to these health issues. Years of an unhealthy lifestyle had quietly led to metabolic syndrome, manifesting as chronic nephritis. Like many modern professionals, Mr. Su faced the consequences of overindulgence and neglect, but the path to recovery lay in embracing change. Dr. Men prescribed Jigong San with Suzi and Huan Che to regulate Mr. Su's metabolism and balance his organs. Brewing his own medicine became a ritual of mindfulness, allowing him to slow down and connect with TCM principles. Dr. Men emphasized slow living, gentle movements, avoiding overexertion, and practicing deep breathing. This slow pace allowed Mr. Su to find calm in his emotions, bringing his body and mind into harmony. Just as Kung Fu Tea celebrates time and precision, chronic illness demands patience and gradual care. Slow and mindful living became Mr. Su's path to wellness, reflecting the essence of TCM's harmony with nature.